Nick here for your weekly New Ideas Old Brain 1 Minute Listen. 60 seconds, more or less, of behavioral science and psychology research. So here we go. The physical immune system is fine-tuned by natural selection to fight off nasty invaders that enter into our body. Now, what you might not know, though, is that we also have what's called the behavioral immune system, or BIS. And BIS protects us from transmissible pathogens and parasites that pass from human to human. The behavioral immune system is a cluster of psychological mechanisms that evolved in our species to promote behaviors of disease avoidance. And it's especially relevant to know this in the time of COVID-19. Living in large groups, we humans are a socially obligate species. We can't survive without others. But the trade-off is that this sociality increases the risk of transmissible infections because, as we know, pathogens spread through social and physical contact. So, what do? The solution is just this, the behavioral immune system. And central to this, and our motivation to not come in contact with infected others in a group, is the emotion of disgust, namely to feel disgusted by the idea of catching something from another person, which compels us to steer clear of them at all cost. It's hardwired in our brain and is a response we share with many other social mammals. But, like many psychological mechanisms we've evolved, the BIS is an imperfect solution. It leads to what's called disease overperception bias, a tendency to overperceive heuristic disease cues in certain groups of people. This erroneous detection is the basis of Outgroup Derogation, the prejudicial and xenophobic targeting of the other for fear of disease contamination. Past research has shown that an overactive BIS is related to social conservative views. In this time of coronavirus, we have to be thankful for our physical immune system as well as our behavioral immune system. But we also must recognize that these systems have their flaws and that some of our reactions may be wrong and misguided. That's it. You can find the paper citation in the show notes. And until next time, remember, keep your facts ugly and your hypotheses beautiful.